you walking anything?
Huh?
You walking around?
Yeah, they go off walking a couple blocks. So.
Nigga
Scared.
I started backing up. That shit blows up, yo. It's crazy.
Is that the right side?
Place it upside down like it.
Is it the wrong side?
Oh. She's gonna be crazy. Damn, look at that stuff over there. Oh, damn, almost freaking twisted my ankle again.
You got scared?
I'm filling the pothole.
Shake it more.
Damn, the smoke, man, the smoke.
Imagine that tension.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Step in the water and shit, man.
Fuck, yo, I think I just burned my hand. Fuck, that shit hurt. Why are you pointing it towards the house?
Look at this fucking kid.
This guy's looking at it. Oh.
Stupid.
He wants to get hurt.
Push it this way.
Fuck, yo, I burned myself.
Fuck, man. Feel my brain now. Damn.
It sucks when you got a little light.
You want to use my lighter?
Shit. Is yours?
Yeah.
Damn, it should be. Just got that?
No, I bought it a couple days ago.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh. Yeah, I think I burned my thumb though.
Fucking feet's like, man, dirty right now. Dirty shit.
Yeah, look at fireworks. Not lighting?
Fuck. You should have surprised.
Oh, you heard this song?
Oh, shit.
Oh my god, I'm scared right now. That shit blows up in Jimmy's hand. Oh, I'm staying back. Oh my god! This shit's not gay. Shoot that somebody, that shit'll hurt.
I got 10 shots.
Yo, I think it's done. Look at it. Oh, damn, these niggas shit is bright.
I never messed up.
I don't know. Don't look at it. You know, put that shit in the water. Put it in the water.
Hold up. Don't like that.
Think you gonna shoot another one? You want me to do it? You want me to do it?
Damn, I want to go around the block.
Yeah.
Just showing recording this. Record random stuff. Damn, look at the smoke in our backyard and stuff. This is crazy. We still got this toilet paper here? Huh?